In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Etsy shop on Instagram. Connecting your Etsy store to your Instagram profile is a simple but powerful way to turn your followers into customers. By adding your Etsy link to your Instagram bio, you give people a clear, one-click path to browse and buy your products. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, head over to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the Etsy account that you use to manage your shop. On a computer, you can open your browser, go to the Etsy homepage, sign in, and then click on Shop Manager at the top of the page. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you manage your listings, orders, and shop settings. Keep this tab open because we're going to grab the link from here. Once you're on your Shop Manager dashboard, look at the top of the page for the link icon. Depending on the layout, this might look like a small chain or a share icon. When you click that icon, Etsy will generate and highlight a link to your shop. This is the URL you want to share with your Instagram audience. Click to copy it. If it doesn't copy automatically, you can select the entire link, right-click, and choose Copy. Now it's time to move over to Instagram. Open Instagram on your phone or in your browser and go to your profile page. From there, tap or click on Edit Profile. This is where you can change your name, username, bio, and links. Take a moment to think about how you want this to look, because this is what people will see as soon as they land on your profile. Next, click into the bio field. This is the space where you normally write a short description of your brand or what you sell. Place your cursor where you want the link to appear, then paste the Etsy shop link you just copied. You can keep it simple and just paste the link on its own, or you can add a short call to action, like shop my products here, followed by the link. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll down and click on Submit or Save to apply the changes. Instagram will update your profile, and your Etsy shop link will now be live in your bio. To double check, go back to your profile and tap the link to make sure it opens your Etsy shop correctly. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Etsy shop on Instagram, making it easier for your followers to find and shop your products.